and we're going to do the 9 times table and division facts today. First of all, let's do the 9 times table. So 1 times 9, 2 times 9, 18, 3 times 9, 27, 4 times 9. Right, yeah, it's 36. Let me give you a clue. Here, this is in the ones. The 9 goes down to 8, goes down to 7, goes down to 6. So the next one will be 5. And then here, it goes up. In the tens, it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so what will the next number be? This is 6 times 9. Good, I swap around. What will the next number be? 54? 63, 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 9. 72, because here is a 3, it goes down to 2. The next one will be a 1. What will it be? 81. That's 9 times 9, okay? And then 10 times 9 is 90. Okay, yeah. So I'm just going to show you a little trick for working out the 9 times table. Let me show my screen. Okay, just wait, let me admit all these people. Okay, so we have 1 times 9 is 9. Okay, maybe I should do it like this. Yeah, like that. 1 times 9 is 9. I've got 9 fingers there. 2 times 9, I've got 1 finger here and 8 fingers here, which makes 18. 1, 8. Okay, 3 times 9 is 27. I've got 2 fingers here and 7 fingers here. 4 times 9, I've got 3 tens and 6 ones. Okay, and then 5 times 9, I've got 4 tens and 5 ones, 45. Okay, now we're moving on to 6, which is this one. So now I have, I'm not sure if my screen is reversed, it might be confusing for you, but I've got 5 tens and 4 ones, 54. Okay, now I do this, it's a little bit difficult with my fingers, but now I've got 6 tens, 3 ones, 63. Okay, now I do this, which is, what are we up to, 8 times 9. Okay, so now I have 7 and 2, 72. Okay, and now I do this. I've got, this is 9 times 9, so I'm on the 9th finger here. I've got 8 and 1, 81. Okay, and then this way, and I've got 9 tens and 0 ones, so it's 90. Okay, so here we have bunches of grapes. Now, there are 9 grapes in each bunch, okay, in each one. So what equation do we need to do to work out exactly how many grapes there are? 5 times 9, good. And we're just looking at the 9 times table. So what is 5 times 9? Good, 45. Right, here we have basically 2 times 9, isn't it? 9 times 2. What does that give us? 18. Now it says ones here. This time it says tens. So basically they mean 20. What is 9 times 2 tens? Right, good. Okay, now we know what 2 times 9 is, it's 18, but there's a 0 because it's not 2, it's actually 20. So we need to carry that 0 on here, yeah? Now we have 9 times 2 hundreds, in other words, 200. So there's 2 zeros. So what do we end up with here? Good. There we go. Good. And this is the same equation, but just written in numbers, yeah? So just be aware of that if you're in the maths test. Just change the words into a number. You might find that easier. I find it easier to look at this than this, okay? So again, what is the answer? 2 times 9? Good. 9 times 20? Good, 180. 9 times 200, 1,000. There we go. Just repeating, just checking. So we obviously have 9 donuts here and 9 here. Let's see what the question is. Oh, 9 plus 9 is 18. That makes sense. 2 times 9, 18. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 9 counters. Now we have another 9. So how much is that? 18. Good. There we go. 1 9, 2 9s. Okay, and the slow way of checking would be to count each of these, but yes, it is 18. Oh, this is the other way of doing it, okay? You can put them into groups of 2. And then to check, you can do 18 divided by 9. So you're going backwards, in other words. You're starting from 18, dividing by 9 and getting 2. Okay. 0 times 9 is 0. Well, I've told you the answer. Oh, are they doing what I suggested? Let's see. Tens and ones. Right. Tens. So there's 0 tens. That's correct. And there's ones. 9 ones. 2 times 9. There's 1 10. And how many ones? 8. So what's the number that we get? 18. Okay, this is exactly what I just showed you. 3 times 9. So the 10s are this way. 2 10s. And how many ones? 27. So there's 7 ones. Okay, next one. 4 times 9. We have 3 10s and 6 ones. Yes, which leaves us with 36. Okay, so this is something you can use if you want to. It's a bit quicker than calculating, yeah, the 9 times table, particularly if you're doing a high one like 9 times 9 or 8 times 9. It can take a lot longer to do it, to work out the adding in your head. Okay, 5 times 9, so what's that? Yeah, no, 5 times 9, 45, yeah. So what's 6 times 9? Someone shouted out the answer. No, that's 5 times 9. 54, right. What is 7 times 9? 7 times 9, anyone? Good. And 8 times 9? 72, good. And 9 times 9? 81. And 10 times 9? 90. And as you can see, the ones are all going down. So we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, they all go down. It starts at 9. Okay, and the ones all go up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 10s all go up. The ones go down and the 10s go up. Yeah? That's right. Yeah. So you can see, good point, that 81, when swapped around, makes 18, doesn't it? 72, when swapped around, makes 27, and so on. 63, 36. There's a lot of patterns in the 9 times table. It's quite interesting. Thank you for that. Let's see what we have to do here. So this is 9. So this will be 18, right? Good. Sorry to repeat, but 27, but it's good to practice. What's next? 36. 45. Yep. 54. 63, yep, sorry, okay, 72, 90, right, what about after 90? Then the patterns don't work, but 99, and after 99? 108. Okay, so now we're going down, 108, so what's, yeah, good, so that's 11 times 9, what's 10 times 9? Okay, 90. 81, 72, 63, 54, good, 45, 36, good, 27, 18, and then of course, well, 0, yeah, they didn't bother to show you that, but yes, it's 0. 9 times 4. Okay, does anybody know the answer before we begin? What's 36, right. Do you know where it would go? Would it go, if I get my pen? Well, it wouldn't go here, would it? Because this is 9. Would it go here, here, or here on the stick? Here, right? So this is 36. Yeah? Okay, this is just to show that you know where in the number line it would come. Yeah. Well, okay, now 108. So you have to do the reverse of this. 108 divided by 9. What does that give us? Do you remember? Yes, good, it's 12. So in other words. And we can use this because remember, this is where 180 was. Okay, and then we just have to count backwards. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. Okay, so that helps us work it out. There we go. Oh. Or, yeah, this is another way of doing it. You know that 90 is 10 times 9. Yeah, so he goes up 1, and then he's going up again, 2. So it must be 2 more than 10, which makes 12. 12 times 9. Yeah, the 1s are going down, and the 10s are going up. And then, as was mentioned before, you can swap so here, for example, if you swap the 1s and the 10s, you get 9. If you swap the 1s and 10s here, you get 18, and so on. Okay? Yeah, 1s decrease by 1, 10s increase by 1. Why is that the case? Okay, so the reason that the 1s decrease is because 9 is 1 short of 10, isn't it? Yeah, 10 take away 9 equals 1. So the 1s decrease by 1, but the 10s keep going up because 9 is very close to 10. They keep going up until you reach 99, and then I suppose you jump to 100. Okay. 19 plus 10 minus 1, yeah? So they're basically saying what I said here. You add 10, but then you have to take away 1. 36 plus 10, 46, minus 1, okay? Because 9 is 1 short of 10. Is this always the case? Well, we can check, because up to 10 times 9, this is true. Let's see if it's true if we go beyond 10 times 9, so 99. What's the next one? What's 12 times? Good, 108. Actually, what is 13 times 9? What you've got to do is add 9 here. What would that be? No? Good, yes, 170. So now it's changed a bit. Do you notice that as opposed to here, it's 1 less, isn't it? Now it's 8, and then here, it's not 2, it's 1. So it's gone down 1. Once you get past 10 times 9. Yeah, so it changes a bit after 10 times 9. Okay. But after 99, I suppose you repeat again. You start adding 1 here and minusing 1 from the 1s. So you start adding 1 to the 10s and minusing 1 from the 1s. It's just 99, which is a bit different. Okay, that changes everything slightly. Okay. Anyway, I don't know whether you'll be going that high in your worksheets. Okay, here's the example. Plus 10 minus 1, yeah. So to find the next multiple of 9, I can add 10 and subtract 1. Yeah, that's one way of doing it. Okay, just add 10, because adding 10 is a bit easier, and then taking 1 here. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, we've done the 3 times table. 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, so you see, 12 times 3 is 36. What's 2 times 3? Yeah, so if you have 2 times 3, it equals 6. What is 1 times 3? Right, so they're just showing here that the 9 times table is 3 times the 3 times table. Okay, so 3 times 12 is 36. In other words, here, 21 is a bit easier. If we want to get to 63, we have to do 1 times 3, which equals 3. Okay. I don't know why it's done that. And then 2 times 3, which is 6, okay? Let's see if we can... Oh, yeah, it gets a bit tricky here. But let's do a more simple one. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? So 3 times the 3 times table will give you the 9 times table. Right. Yep, now they're doing that example. 11 times 3, this is 11 times 3. 11 times 9 is 99. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So if I know my 3 times table, I can multiply that by 3. It's a very, very long way of getting to your 9 times table, but it's true. So yeah, counting up in tens. But this one is still the 9 times table. I suppose they want to know what the difference is, maybe. So let's have a little look. What is 10 minus 9? 1, so 1 is the difference. What is 20 minus 18? 30 minus 27. Good, do you see the pattern? Oh, go away. Yeah, but the difference between the two numbers is always going up like this, okay? In fact, it is the number you multiply them by. So 1 times 10 is 10, 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 10 is 20, 2 times 18, 2 times 9, beg your pardon, is 18. Okay, so it's the number you multiply them is the difference as well. So 80 take away 8 equals 72. 90 take away 9 equals 81. And so we go up. 100 take away 10. Now we're on to 11 and 12. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, 1 times 10 minus 1. 2 times 10 minus 2 equals the 9 times table. Times 3, and I think you get the idea. Okay, if there's any questions, ask them now. Okay, ooh, 21 times 9. So it's quite a big number. Now, what I suggest is you break the number down. So what would be an easier number to times 9 by? Let's think of an easier. Sorry? 20, good, 20. And the reason for this is 2 times 9 is quite easy. And all we need, exactly, so it's 180. Because 2 times 9 is 18, and then we've just got to remember our 0, and we get 180. Where do we go from there? What do we need to do now? We've done 20 times 9, exactly, which is 1 times 9, first of all, is, yeah, okay, and then what do we need to do? $180 plus 9. Because look here, we've taken the 1 away, so we should add it, shouldn't we? Yeah? To get our answer. So our answer is, right. Yeah. The other way you could do it is 10, which is, I think, a bit slower, but this is just another way. And then we need another 10, don't we? Because it's 21, and then we need 1 times 9. And then what you'd have to do is add to get the answer. This one is 90, 9 times 10, 90, and 9. And then you have to add and add. 90 plus 90 is 180, plus 9 equals 189. Okay? Yeah, I prefer this way. It's a bit shorter, isn't it? I think this is, overall, I think this is the easiest way. There's another one, okay? So what you could do is work out 21 times 10. Okay? 210, right? Okay, and then you need to subtract 21 because it's not 10 times 21, it's 9 times. So then you need to take away 21. So you need to do 210, take away 21. Okay, now this is a bit tricky maybe. You could, so you put the 10 there, you get 9. And then you need to borrow 1 from here. And you have 10 take away 2, which is 8, and then you're just left with 1. Okay, because this is now a 0. Yeah, that's because that involves long subtraction. Maybe it's easier to do. This is the easiest way.